Why eBay? Hello, welcome and thank you for choosing this video course. In this video, I'm going to talk about why eBay is one of the best e-commerce platforms and you should run your business here. If you're familiar with various online shopping sites well known around the world such as Amazon.com, Walmart.com, Alibaba.com, or Target.com, eBay is ranked at number 2 of the most popular e-commerce sites in the world. So even if you're just running a single e-commerce platform, for example, just eBay, you are not entirely left out from the online business world. That being said, running online businesses with multiple e-commerce sites under your helm may be an advantage, but you would certainly need to micromanage a lot. So why eBay? First and foremost, even though there are various e-commerce platforms out there for people to search for items, eBay was considered to be the consumer's first choice to shop online, be it new or used items. So if you're keen on getting your item list being searched in the forefront, eBay is the easy win here. Compared to other online shopping sites, eBay offers your site and company massive exposure at the lowest cost. For as little as 30 cents, you can create an auction which highlights your product and can direct people to your website. That is amazingly cheap for any sellers out there to advertise their items, which can be focused on their desired target market. Now you may have this question in mind: why should I use the eBay platform if I can set up my own online site and have my own list of buyers? Well, have you ever thought about what if you found yourself in a situation where you were a victim of a fraud? Especially, you don't have the means to get yourself protected from such situations. But with eBay, you'll be protected by eBay's Vehicle Purchase Protection, where transactions that are completed on eBay are protected from online transactions. That being said, this program does not cover offline transactions, including payments made via MoneyGram or Western Union. Nevertheless, if you're running an online business site, it's best to stick with any form of transactions via online, and especially being done in eBay, compared to running your own personal site. Looking at traditional methods of purchasing items through shopping malls or shop lots, you may find yourself that certain items may be way above your budget. Take, for instance, getting a DSLR camera. Now, compared to looking for the same product in eBay, you will find that the prices may be lower compared to retail price. That being said, prices will vary from product to product, especially limited or premium items, and their prices will usually depend on the market price or the bidder's price. As an online business venture, why not give the people the opportunity to purchase items at the right price compared to purchasing it at a retail price? This is a great opportunity not just for you, but for everyone, having the choice to purchase or sell an item at the preferred price.